2003 when
you just put this picture on Facebook.
That's 2004.
What was this?
That was Ori's, Michael's little girl. That was her quinceañera.
Oh, okay. Sandra.
Yeah. And when Irene turned 16, I made her a cake and it had that picture that's here now.
How old was you? You said she was 16?
Yeah, she turned 16 and I made that, made her a little party.
And there's Alex.
This is Anita when Bakersfield. I sent it her. Because when we moved here, Anita was only 6 years old.
It's cute. These are cute pictures.
Anita was very cute. First, cuando nació, estaba bella. Anita, you're ugly.
Aww.
She grew, she was very pretty. Le decían la chula porque estaba bien bonita. And then we moved here. She was black as...
That's a cute picture. She gets dark in the summer, huh?
Yeah, she was black.
Aww, pretty. Her hair is so pretty right there.
She changed colors at one time. Her hair was blonde. And I'm like, you're black.
With blonde hair?
Blonde?
We're going to retire to the bedroom.
See, this is Irene. See, this is Irene when she was a couple of, I think 30 days old.
They're cute.
And then she's a girl.
She's all rosy. Her little cheeks are all rosy.
She's always rosy.
She has a blush on. Yeah.
I'm going to look for that movie because I know I saw it the other day. And that's one of my favorites. U.S. Marshals. And you know what? The other day I saw it at H-E-B.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to buy me another because in case I lose it.
Yeah, because I went through that 3 times and I didn't.
In case I lose it.
It's going to pop up.
Yeah. Mama, take this back to your room.
Okay.
Here's, Mando, don't forget to take the shoes over there too.
I know.